Orangeburg, South Carolina is home to a variety of window installation services that cater to all your residential window needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, or custom windows, Orangeburg window contractors offer a wide range of replacement Windows Orangeburg options to enhance your home. With a focus on quality and durability, these window experts provide top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific requirements. For those seeking window replacement in Orangeburg, SC, there are numerous window specialists ready to assist. From double-hung windows to custom designs, Orangeburg window installation services ensure that your home windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The window materials used in Orangeburg, South Carolina are selected for their longevity and performance, ensuring that your window upgrades stand the test of time. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice in Orangeburg, offering homeowners the opportunity to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Vinyl windows. Orangeburg, South Carolina are particularly favored for their low maintenance and excellent insulation properties. With a variety of window styles available, Orangeburg residents can choose the perfect window designs to complement their home's architecture. Replacement Windows Orangeburg services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home windows. Whether it's a simple window glass replacement or a more complex window frame replacement, Orangeburg Window Services have the expertise to handle all types of window maintenance. Regular window maintenance. Orangeburg SC ensures that your windows remain in optimal condition, providing both security and energy efficiency. For those interested in window enhancements, Orangeburg SC offers a range of window fittings and window solutions to improve the functionality and appearance of your windows. From innovative window designs to advanced window materials, Orangeburg window specialists are equipped to provide comprehensive window services that meet your needs. Window Estimates Orangeburg are available to help you plan your window upgrades and ensure that you receive the best value for your investment. Residential windows Orangeburg are designed to withstand the local climate while providing superior performance. With a focus on energy efficiency and durability, Orangeburg window contractors offer a variety of window options to suit any home. Whether you're looking for traditional window styles or modern window enhancements, Orangeburg, South Carolina has the window experts to bring your vision to life. In Orangeburg, window frames are crafted with precision and care, ensuring that your home windows are both sturdy and stylish. The window fittings Orangeburg, South Carolina are designed to provide a seamless installation, enhancing the overall look and feel of your home. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Orangeburg Window Services deliver exceptional results for all your window needs. Custom replacement Windows Orangeburg SC are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their homes. With a variety of window designs and materials to choose from, Orangeburg window specialists can create unique window solutions that reflect your style and preferences. Whether you're interested in window upgrades or new window installations, Orangeburg, South Carolina has the expertise to deliver outstanding results.